In page number 43, be reading A Nation's Strength. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Ralph Waldo Emerson, he is a contemporary to Mahatma Gandhi. Right? He doesn't like the society. If we don't like something, we say, I don't like this, all these things. That is, if my wife brings me something, I say, I don't like it. What did he do then? He doesn't like society, so he left society. He doesn't like government, he left the government. He doesn't like taxation, he did not pay taxes. He is the Emerson. And he got these tips from Mahatma Gandhi, Satyagraha. So a correct disciple of Mahatma Gandhi, a contemporary to Mahatma Gandhi. Here, Ralph Waldo Emerson, he says, what your country needs, what your nation needs. Let us see what it needs. Nation's strength. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. If Mahatma Gandhi was not there, he was there. He was a lawyer, barrister, and he was having a very good flourishing practice even. He was called to South Africa and he was made a lawyer there, and he was to take up cases for a company. Now you can understand, if at all he is alive now, his sons and his family would have been in a very rich and posh manner, they would have lived. But here, Mahatma Gandhi, he gave up everything. And he took up the struggle, freedom struggle. And because of him, there came many people together with the same cause, with the same demand. What is it one? Quit India. Go away from India. Then lastly, English people have to leave the country and go. And this is nation's strength. Not the gold, not the money, not the jewels, nothing. We are having gold mines, we have silver, we have copper, we have iron, we have coal, we have petroleum here. Whatever you need, everything is there in India. Cotton, we grow here. Tobacco, coffee, tea, everything we grow here. We are rich with spices, right? Because we were growing rich spices, our country, because we were having the rich diamonds, because we are rich with gold, people from all the other countries, they used to come and they used to plunder, take away. That is it. We were having gold, we were having spices, people used to come and take away. And nobody here used to stop them plundering. Nobody here used to stop him taking away our wealth. Then we all got together. Then we have our country for ourselves. That is called nation's strength. So here, not gold, but only men. ఓన్లీ మెన్. దేశమంటే మట్టి కాదోయ్, దేశమంటే మనుజులోయ్ అని గురజాడ అప్పారావు గారు చెప్పిన మాట ఇక్కడ ఇంగ్లీష్ చేయబడింది. దేశం అంటే మనుషులట. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ మట్టి, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గోల్డ్. హియర్ హీ సేస్ నాట్ గోల్డ్ బట్ ఓన్లీ మెన్, మనుషులే కెన్ మేక్ ఏ పీపుల్ గ్రేట్ అండ్ స్ట్రాంగ్. A doctor is there. He is a great doctor. He is a great surgeon. Who made him great surgeon? Did he become by himself? So, not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. I have given an example here. The doctor can become a great doctor because of the patients here. If a doctor doesn't have any patient, can he become a doctor? No. Very surely he may become an actor somewhere, but he cannot become a doctor. Why? Men only can make the people great. That is the strength. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. What is the definition of the men here? Here, only men can make people great and strong. Only men can make the people great and strong. What kind of men? Again, there is a query there. There is a question there. The kind of men who can stand together when there is a purpose. When there is a necessity, they can stand together. They should stand together. We Indians have diversity, but we have unity. అవసరం పడితే మనం అందరం ఒకటైపోతాం, మనలో మనం తన్నుకుంటాం. రైట్? పీపుల్ కెన్ స్టాండ్ టుగెదర్ ఫర్ ఎ కాజ్ స్ట్రాంగ్. స్టాండ్ ఫాస్ట్. Stand fast means stand together and as if they are bound together. That is fast. F-A-S-T, not speed. Here the fast meaning is not speed. Then got together, togetherness is fast here. And suffer long. We are suffering, no doubt, but our goal is this. We have to achieve that. For that we may suffer. We don't bother. If a man can think like that, he can make the people great. If people are becoming great, our nation is becoming very strong. That is the national strength as per your Ralph Waldo Emerson. Brave men who work while others sleep. People are there. What kind of people you require to make something successful? You require a kind of people who are brave and courageous, not that sleepy people. So here men, what kind of men you want? You want a brave people, courageous people who can stand and who can come out at the moment of necessity. That kind of people are required. Who dare while others fly. People may run away. When they see some danger there, they may run away. What is the word used for the run away? Fly, F-L-Y. ఎగిరిపోవడం కాదు. Fly means to run away from the place. నీకేంట్రా, ముందు వెళ్ళండి, నేను ఉన్నాను కదా వెనకట్లా, నేను చూసుకుంటాను, ముందుకెళ్ళి చూసుకుంటానులే. పాపం ఆ కుర్రాడు ముందుకెళ్ళాడు, ఒక దెబ్బ కొట్టేశాడు. దెబ్బ కొట్టేస్తే ఎదుర్కొంటే ఆయనకి మహాకోపం వచ్చింది. రే నన్ను కొడతావా అన్నాడు. ఈ వెనకాల పారిపోయారు. ఇఫ్ యూ బిలీవ్ ద పీపుల్ ఆఫ్ దట్ కైండ్, వాట్ వుడ్ హ్యాపెన్ టు యూ? ఏంటవుతుంది? నువ్వు స్ట్రాంగ్ అవుతావా? కెన్ యువర్ నేషన్ బికమ్ స్ట్రాంగ్? నో. దెన్ దే షుడ్ బి విత్ యూ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ అకేషన్. అట్ ఎవ్రీ అకేషన్ దే షుడ్ బి విత్ యూ. Then only our people can become strong. If people are becoming strong, nation is becoming strong. So, indirectly he says, be brave, be courageous, don't leave something in middle. Pursue it till the end. Follow it, do it, go on doing. See that one day you are successful. When you are successful, all the successful men can make the nation, because they can make the nation strong. Not the gold, not the money, not your minerals, not your crops. Then only men who are very courageous, who do not leave the place, who do not sleep. Sleep means what? To become lazy. I am not talking about the lazy people, people who are at work. Those kind of people can make the nation strong. They build a nation's pillars deep. What do? They make the pillars very strong. Even if earthquake comes, the pillar will not fall, will not break at all. That kind of strong pillars they can make. Earthquake had come. People have been kept in the jails. They have been lashed. They have been beaten. Even there were shooting at the people. But the people around Mahatma Gandhi did not differ anything. They never bothered for it. They are not afraid. They stood together. That has become the pillar for the country. Such kind of people are required who can construct very strong pillars so that the nation can stand on those pillars. Nation's strength. And lift them to the sky. People should lift the country, the nation to the sky, and thereby the nation will lift you to the heights. Now, the very same people who are having at least 2 to 3 cars in their portico or in the car sheds, one who could able to fly from here to America, one who could able to fly from here to Visakhapatnam. These very people have never boarded a train. There were days ట్రైన్లో వెళ్ళడానికి కూడా వాళ్ళ దగ్గర డబ్బులు ఉండేవి కాదు. ఇప్పుడు మనం స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చింది కాబట్టి మన దగ్గర ఎన్ని డబ్బులు ఉన్నాయి అంటే, ఇక్కడి నుంచి తిరుపతి వెళ్ళాలంటే ఫ్లైట్ వెళ్ళిపోతాం. ట్రైన్ కూడా ఎక్కేవారు కాదు, ఎందుకు? డబ్బులు లేవు. పరిస్థితి అట్లా ఉండేది. ఇప్పుడు పరిస్థితి అట్లా ఉన్నది. 1000 రెట్లు మంచి బాగా ఉన్నాం, చక్కగా ఉన్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ ద నేషన్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్. హౌ డస్ ఇట్ అక్కర్? Because of the people, because of the men. They help each other. They stand together very strong. They build pillars, strong pillars. With that, the nation gets its strength. That is what we have here. Very small 8 lines poem gani. It is a patriotic poem. దేశభక్తి గీతం ఇది. మన జనగణమనలాగే దీంట్లో ఉన్నది ఏంటయ్యా అంటే, మనుషులుగా బతకమన్నాడు. మనుషులే స్ట్రెంగ్త్ అన్నాడు. హూ? రాల్ఫ్ వాల్డో ఎమర్సన్. హీ ఈజ్ ద కాంటెంపరీ ఆఫ్ మహాత్మా గాంధీ. రైట్? ఇవన్నీ మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం. తర్వాత మనం రీడింగు, తర్వాత ఓన్లీ లిజనింగ్, టెక్స్ట్ ఫర్ లిజనింగ్. దీస్ 2 విల్ సీ.